With more and more clients complaining about how little they knew about makeup, we realised early on that we could provide education and the services of teaching women how to style themselves and look better every day. That's why we run our group workshops and our one-on-one consultations to teach you tips and tricks on how to do your personal styling. It's lots of fun and it's really added an extra level of being able to show what skills we've developed over the years and impart that to women for their own personal use, or should they want to be a makeup artist, we can train them in that area as well. So for any occasion that you'd like to look and feel your best, hop on over to the Grace & Style website or contact the team here at Grace & Style.